I've been looking for my job. Your body's up to something. You give me overload. You're my God. I hear you.
And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous highlighted unit that I got from Kriyya hair. The hair came in this box right here. This is their 24-inch highlighted balayage 13x4 frontal unit in the density of 150%. I'll leave all the information for this gorgeous unit in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing. So I went ahead to do a quick and easy install. I curled the hair prior before I installed it, and I did my baby hairs per usual. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this gorgeous highlighted balayage unit from Kriyya hair, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the installation process.
The unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in partnership with Kriyya Wigs. They sent me over their 24-inch highlighted balayage body wave unit in the density of 150%. So inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies. I received this cute little denim brush, a bandana. I also received some eyelashes and a stocking cap as well. So a bit about the cap construction of this wig. This hair did come pre-plucked, as you guys can see, and a bit about the inside specs on this wig. It comes with 2 combs on each side of the wig, and it also comes with a comb to the back as well, along with adjustable straps so you can adjust the wig to your particular liking. So as you can see, the knot on this wig is pre-bleached and it came pre-plucked. I did went ahead a bit to pluck the wig a little bit more. So let's jump right into the installation process of this 24-inch highlighted balayage unit from Kriyya Wigs.
So you guys, the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from Kriyya Wigs. So it came in this box right here. This is their 24-inch 13x4 highlighted balayage unit. I went ahead to pin curl this wig. So this is how the pin curl on the wig looks. And this video is also going to be in partnership with Duvolle professional hair dryer. This is what it came in.
So this video is also in collaboration with Duvolle Desire. They sent me over their professional hair dryer. You can also use my discount code, which is Rihanna70, to save you 70% off of your next purchase. So this blow dryer consists of 5 components. It comes with an air inlet cover, which is the fuchsia pink cover, as you guys can see, and it also comes with a cool shot button so you can adjust the temperature on this blow dryer from coolest to highest, and it also comes with a speed and temperature control button. So this blow dryer also comes with 2 nozzles as well, so you can adjust onto your blow dryer, and it also comes with a diffuser so you can diffuse your curly wigs, or if you have curly hair, it works for that as well. So let's jump right into the installation process of this wig.
So I'm gonna be using this today. So I did went ahead already to do my ball cap method, you guys. I'm just gonna be cleaning off any sorts of extra makeup to the front with my
So I'm just going ahead to tint the lace per usual on this unit using my black opal foundation in the shade Carob. So after I finish tinting the lace, I'm just gonna set that with my Got to Be Blast freeze spray.
I'm gonna be taking my freeze spray just to set.
So once I have everything set, I'm going in with my Duvolle Desire professional blow dryer, and then I went ahead to apply the wig, and I'm just positioning the wig how I want it, and then I'm going in to cut off the lace around my air tabs area before I begin the installation process.
So guys, once I have everything the way I want it to, I'm just gonna clip
So before the installation process, I'm just gonna cut down the lace into 4 smaller sections to the front.
I'm using my bold hold active glue today, and I might just do 2 layers of this glue.
So I just went ahead to do 2 layers of my bold hold active glue today. So I'm just going to apply the glue, and then I'm going to blend that out with the end of my razor comb per usual, and then I go in with my Duvolle Desire hair dryer until that is tacky, and I'm just gonna repeat the same process as I did the first time. Just gonna blend out the glue, blow dry that, and wait until the glue is tacky to push the lace into the glue. So once the glue is dried, I am just pushing the lace into the glue using my fingers as well as a rat tail comb, and then I just go over that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray, and then I just comb that out so it wouldn't be too cruffy once I'm ready to cut off the extra lace to the front. So I'm just going ahead with my elastic band just to melt the lace a bit, and after the lace has been melted, I did go ahead to cut off the extra lace. So I'm just going back over that with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray again. And it's time for me to work on my baby hairs. This is gonna be a quick and easy install today because I do this method in all of my videos, so I don't want to be too repetitive. So I'm just gonna work on my baby hairs. So today I'm just gonna be using my Got To Be Ultra Glued to lay my baby hairs along with my Gorrilla Snot Gel in Punk. So I'm just gonna continue to finesse my baby hairs per usual. I always use my Gorrilla Snot Gel and my Got To Be Ultra Glue to lay my baby hairs, but I'm super excited for my next video. I'm going to be testing out some new products from Esha Girl, so stay tuned for that video. So I'm just gonna continue to finesse my baby hairs and swoop them in the direction in which I want them to go, and after I finish doing my baby hairs, I always set them with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray. So after I'm done, I'm going to melt the lace a little bit more with my elastic band. So once the lace has been melted, I'm going to start to work on my parting space. So I'm going to be using my Murray's Australian beeswax just to lay the top portion of this wig, and I'm just gonna cut some layers as well into the wig to the front portion before I go in with my Duvolle curling wand. I'm just gonna be taking my ISO Plus hair sheen just to spray the top portion and go over that with my Thermal hot comb, and now I'm gonna be taking my Duvolle curling wand just to curl the top portion of the hair so the hair can get a little bit of bump. So I'm just gonna continue to curl the top portion of this wig using my Duvolle curling wand. I actually used this curling wand to do the pin curls on this wig prior. I'm just gonna continue to pin them up using my hair clips and just continue to repeat the same process. I'm just going ahead to set everything with my pins, and the back portion I'm just gonna spray the ends with my ISO Plus hairspray to add a bit of sheen and luster to this wig, and I'm just gonna pin curl the rest of the hair to the back as well. So once I'm done pin curling the rest of the hair up, I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Contour palette just to finesse the parting space on this wig.
So I'm now going in with my Black Radiance True Contour palette. And I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the end result. So you guys, this is the end result of my 24-inch frontal unit that I got from Kriyya Hair Company. So this is the end result of this gorgeous unit, you guys, and I'm definitely feeling the hair. So a bit about this wig. This is their Kriyya blonde highlighted virgin hair 13 by 4 150% density unit, and they have length from 14 inches up to 26 inches, but I got 24 inches. This wig retails for $281.32. I went ahead to pin curl the hair. I like to pin curl my body wave units prior because it keeps the curl a bit longer than if I curl them while I'm doing the install. I'll link a video on how I pin curl my hair in my description bar, as well as in the eye above, so you can check out how I normally pin curl my unit. But so far, you guys, this wig is like, everything is gorgeous. The highlights on the wig, the density, everything on this wig is a 10 out of 10. The lace melted perfectly to my skin complexion. This is one of the best lace that I've worked with. This is how long it is, just below my breast area. Minimal to little shredding when I wash the hair and bleach the knot on this wig. Color on this unit is gorgeous. It's definitely a vacation so far wig. So good. Again, I'll leave all the information for the wig in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code so you can save you some money off of this wig. So thank you so much for watching this install, and until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.